To the chair of the Real Estate Agents Licensing Board, Dr. Abdul Hassan, and the board members, permanent secretaries, CEOs, executives from the Real Estate Association, members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bolo Vinaka, and a very, very good morning to all of you. I'm really happy to see that the audience consists of every critical component that concerns the real estate industry, and that includes the Ministry of Lands, Director of Town and Country Planning I see here, all of you. I'm grateful for you being here today. This is an important day. Ladies and gentlemen, I recall at the third Real Estate Agents Conference earlier this year, I highlighted to the Real Estate Agents Licensing Board efforts in modernizing its processes to create digitally enabled services. Today, I'm delighted to officiate the launch of what can only be described as a milestone for the REALB. REALB has been working on 5 critical projects to improve service delivery and enhance organizational capacity and foster some real estate industry compliance. Now, as part of these particular projects, which we will launch today, we will witness the REALB's new logo, their 2022-2025 strategic plan, the revamped website, an online agents licensing portal, and the National Property Sales Database, which is going to be called NatPro. So congratulations to the board, and I'm proud of the achievement here today. And as you all know, the REALB, a relatively small organization, has shown resilience. It has shown innovation and determination to develop the online agents licensing portal with the commitment to digitize their processes. Ladies and gentlemen, the transformation is an investment by the Fijian government to align the REALB with international best practices. It furthers government's agenda to increase transparency and to modernize the REALB's operations so that we may serve our stakeholders, the public, more efficiently. An investment in a revamped website may seem like a small one, but its impact is much greater. And now the public and the agents can easily access credible information. This will enable agents and salespersons to confidently refer potential buyers to REALB's website for verification processes and purposes, and because now the legitimacy and authenticity of the licenses of these agents can be easily verified. This also gives confidence to potential buyers and to engage with these agents and salespersons, reducing any uncertainty and doubt in the market. Today, ladies and gentlemen, is a step towards building an organization of the future, and one that is actually responsive to customer needs and provides prompt aftercare and service to their agents. We also aim to take the services to the ordinary Fijians and to ensure that information is readily and easily accessible. Ladies and gentlemen, the real estate industry always plays a pivotal role in reviving and rejuvenating the Fijian economy's recovery and development by providing an enabling environment in the properties market. It also engages Fijians and provides critical linkage with other sections, and we continue to create a conducive environment to enable access to affordable homes for the Fijian people. With a new vision of a better real estate experience for all, it is my hope that REALB continues to aspire to contribute more positively to the real estate sector. On many fronts, we are at crossroads, ladies and gentlemen, for a renewed, more sustainable, and a resilient economy. And what this requires is strategic thinking. And the REALB strategic 2022-2025 strategic plan sets out strategic priorities to improve and move the real estate industry forward. They're building a robust curriculum to enhance real estate agents and salespersons' knowledge and the quality of services. They're creating awareness and advocating best practices. through policies and buyer's guides and a code of conduct, and a review of the Real Estate Act to enable a strategic view to unlock opportunities with the core aim to provide or to promote consumer protection and enforce high standards of professionalism in the real estate industry. These strategic priorities, ladies and gentlemen, will actually complement our national vision of transforming Fiji to enhance the efficiency of compliance and increase the standard of information provided to Fijians interested in the real estate industry. And most importantly, it will foster a culture of service excellence. Essentially, this will boost the private sector's confidence, augmenting the building blocks of a strong, sustainable Fijian economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the real estate sector is actually a driver for economic development. And with the ease of restriction and business activity gaining momentum at the moment, investment activity is expected to increase. And this is a great time to launch these initiatives as Fiji prepares to open its borders, sending a positive signal that we are investment ready. That means making the investment market for potential foreigners more attractive and building that much needed investor confidence. And steering into the right direction, these initiatives will lure investors into Fiji, fueling the construction sector as well as the financial sector, and giving rise to quality real estate and create job opportunities for many Fijians. Now, as the Minister responsible for Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport, we aim to be innovative and create opportunities that will further the Fijian government's agenda in building a prosperous economy. Such projects like the National Property Sales Database signify our commitment to promote high standards of service and provide information to consumers and the industry to keep them better informed. And for those of you that don't know this, the board had a very, very long session for a couple of hours at the ministry to take us through this particular process that actually is being launched today. So it's been done with some pretty massive consultation. So with those few words, once again, ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate the REALB and the board, and we look forward to the REALB keeping momentum in further upgrading their operations with the legislation review and real estate educational curriculum to be introduced soon. We, the chair and the board, I hope to see this being rolled out to complement today's launch and ensure the much needed impact on the industry as we build a better Fiji. There is still more to come, ladies and gentlemen. They are really, really working very, very hard to ensure we get the best service delivery to the whole of the nation. So thank you very much. God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Real Estate Agents Licensing Board, REALB, a better real estate experience for all, Vinaka. The Real Estate Agents Licensing Board, REALB, is a statutory body under the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport, responsible for regulating real estate agents in Fiji. After REALB's inception in 2009, we are embarking on our organizational rebranding after 12 years and a move towards digitalization, with the Agents Portal and the Property Sales Database to enhance our service delivery. The new logo encapsulates three symbolic structures indicative of residential, commercial and REALB as the regulator for the real estate agents, and also the driveway, which indicates the industry in totality and the future ahead. The color blue is used to represent our nation's government and the ocean that surrounds us. The new logo captures the board's future direction and vision for the industry as the regulatory arm of our nation's government and our ambition to be an effective and efficient regulatory body. The new vision, a better real estate experience for all, has an all-encompassing industry-wide focus with the aim of raising industry standards. It defines what we stand for, our purpose, and our organizational aspirations. The rebranding and digital platform launch is the starting point for initiatives that will be rolled out soon to enhance our service delivery. Our strategic plan, designed with a vision, a better real estate experience for all, will guide REALB for the next 3 years, as it maps out the direction we will take to achieve the board's vision for the real estate industry in Fiji. REALB's revamped website aims to provide our customers with information regarding our services and update the public of the latest activities of the board. The website will also enable them to lodge complaints, access NatPro and the agents portal. The National Property Sales Database, NatPro, provides a centralized database for property sales information. This information will assist property investors, vendors, housing researchers, professionals in real estate, and the general public through its property search parameters based on the price range, area, neighborhood, and tenure type. The portal will provide prospective customers with information to make an informed decision. The Real Estate Agents Portal provides a platform for applications to be lodged and processed online. Agents will be able to lodge applications from their office or from anywhere with internet connectivity. Agents will be able to view and access their information through this portal. REALB, a better real estate experience for all, Vinaka.